Are your travelers filling forms you never designed for them? Wrong fields, wrong order, wrong impression. Changing a form field means calling a developer. You're collecting data you don't need and missing the data that matters. Meet the Form Editor add-on for WP Travel Engine, full control over every booking form on your site. Head into WP Travel Engine's Form Editor. Choose any of your forms and see every field already configured. Hit Add Field, and you'll see every field type available, basic and advanced, ready to use. Let's add a date picker to the checkout form. Select the field, give it a label, mark it required. Now let's set up conditional logic. This field allows operators to set rules and conditions for a specific trip. Once the conditions are set, we click Add Field, and it drops right into the form. You can drag to reposition it. Every change shows up instantly in the live preview. And here's exactly what your travelers see when they open the checkout form on your site. We can see the date picker we just added. Get the Form Editor add-on at wptravelengine.com.